More twists and turns that have emerged in the Mehul Choksi case. India Today is now unmasked a mystery man who was recently spotted with Mehul Choksi. He's the man that you see on your screens there behind Choksi's escape plan from Antigua. The name of this middle-aged mystery man is yet to be revealed. He's the one who allegedly handled Choksi's transfer to Cuba. As per sources, it has been found that this man was taking Choksi to Cuba via sea. However, it seems the plan didn't work out. Choksi was instead nabbed in Dominica. Earlier, you had another close aide of Mehul Choksi called Govin, who had exposed Choksi's plan to leave Antigua and to settle in a safe house in Cuba. He'd allegedly told local media that Choksi also holds citizenship at another Caribbean country besides that of Antigua and Barbuda. So this is the latest update that's come in. This picture of Mehul Choksi with a middle-aged man has led to a lot of speculation. Reports are suggesting that this man was to help Choksi flee to Cuba. That plan, however, went awry, which is why he landed up in Dominica and got arrested. The details of this close aide are yet to be divulged. We're yet to get details of exactly who he is. But let's explain for you this entire saga so far. All the characters who are involved in Mehul Choksi going from Antigua to behind bars in Dominica. First, you have Mehul Choksi, accused in the PMP scam, who is currently in the custody of Dominican police. This after he left Antigua on May 23rd. And then you have some other names that emerged. Barbara is his alleged girlfriend, and this is what Antiguan authorities have said, that she and Mehul Choksi went to Dominica for a holiday and then he got caught there. Choksi's lawyers, however, say that she honey-trapped him, abducted him and took him to Dominica. Now you have one more person who's emerged in this, an unnamed agent who is a close aide of Mehul Choksi. He apparently was the one helping Choksi move from Antigua to Cuba and settle down there in a safe haven. That, however, didn't happen. He was instead nabbed in Dominica. Now, Govin is another name that's emerged as investigative agencies are digging deeper. He too is a close aide of Mehul Choksi. He went public with a channel in Antigua about how Choksi had a plan of escaping from Antigua and heading to Cuba, where, according to this man, this close aide, Choksi has a citizenship in another Caribbean country, which is reportedly Cuba. So it was him who exposed this plan of Mehul Choksi. That is where the case stands so far. But also keep in mind that Mehul Choksi is in Dominican custody, and that's why the PNB scam accused has filed an affidavit before the Dominican High Court claiming that he's a law-abiding citizen and will not escape or flee from the country. In his affidavit, Choksi has informed the High Court that he has invited Indian agencies probing the PNB fraud case to come and question him. The affidavit also says that there was no case against him when he left India for the United States to get medical treatment. Choksi moved High Court in Dominica after the Magistrate Court had dismissed his bail plea on the grounds that Choksi is a flight risk. His bail plea will come up for hearing now in the Dominican High Court on June 14th, in 7 days from now. Meanwhile, Antiguan police have commenced a formal investigation into the possible abduction of Choksi from the island nation on May 23rd. Antiguan Prime Minister has also confirmed to India Today that Choksi's lawyers have written to the police commissioner providing names of people who they believe abducted Choksi.
You know, from the onset, I said that it was unlikely he was abducted because Antigua and Barbuda does not have a culture of abductions. And the fact, too, that no ransom was made at the time. He's now making that claim, and he has asked law enforcement to inquire into the conduct of the individuals who he listed in the correspondence as the possible abductees. Now, I have to add here that an abduction is a serious offense, and that is certainly a matter in which, assuming the veracity of the claim, law enforcement and even the executive for that matter